Millions of people wake up with stiff, achy joints. This is the reality of arthritis, a common condition that affects people of all ages. It's a leading cause of disability, making everyday tasks a challenge. But there's hope. This essay will empower you with tips and tricks to manage arthritis effectively. We'll explore lifestyle changes, pain management techniques, and ways to support your mental health. Living with arthritis can be tough, but you're not alone. Knowledge is power. Let's embark on this journey to a more comfortable life together. Arthritis is not a single disease. It encompasses a wide range of conditions that affect the joints, causing pain and discomfort. It's an umbrella term for over 100 different conditions that impact the joints, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. The most common types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, but there are many others, each affecting people in different ways. Osteoarthritis, often referred to as a wear and tear type, occurs when the cartilage that cushions the ends of the bones in your joints gradually deteriorates. This breakdown leads to pain, swelling, and problems moving the joint. Rheumatoid arthritis, on the other hand, is an autoimmune disease. This means that the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues, particularly the joints, leading to inflammation, pain, and eventually joint damage. Symptoms of arthritis can vary widely, ranging from mild discomfort to severe, debilitating pain. Common symptoms include joint pain, stiffness, swelling, and a decreased range of motion. While aging is a significant risk factor for developing arthritis, it's important to note that arthritis can affect individuals of all ages, including children. Juvenile arthritis is a term used to describe arthritis in children. Genetics can play a role in the likelihood of developing arthritis. If you have a family history of the condition, you may be at a higher risk. Additionally, injuries to joints can lead to arthritis later in life, and lifestyle factors such as obesity and lack of physical activity can also contribute. Understanding your specific type of arthritis is crucial for effective management. This involves working closely with healthcare professionals to develop a treatment plan that may include medication, physical therapy, lifestyle changes, and sometimes surgery. Staying informed and proactive in your care can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. You might think exercise is the last thing you need with achy joints, but staying active is vital for managing arthritis. Exercise strengthens muscles around joints, providing support and reducing pain. Low-impact activities are your best bet. Think swimming, walking, or cycling. These activities are gentle on your joints. Yoga and Tai Chi are also great for improving flexibility and balance. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. Remember, even small amounts of movement can make a big difference. The food you eat can significantly impact your arthritis. What you choose to put on your plate can either help alleviate your symptoms or make them worse. A healthy diet can reduce inflammation and support joint health. By making mindful choices, you can manage your arthritis more effectively and improve your overall well-being. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish rich in omega-3s such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These fatty acids are known to reduce inflammation and can be a great addition to your diet. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants. These nutrients help fight inflammation and provide essential vitamins and minerals that support joint health. Incorporate nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. These foods are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and provide essential nutrients for your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial for managing arthritis. Excess weight puts additional stress on your joints, which can exacerbate pain and discomfort. Excess weight puts extra pressure on your joints, leading to more pain. By losing even a small amount of weight, you can significantly reduce the strain on your joints and improve your mobility. A balanced diet, along with regular exercise, can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Exercise not only helps with weight management, but also strengthens the muscles around your joints, providing better support and reducing pain. Combining these lifestyle changes can lead to a more active and pain-free life. Section 5. Easing the ache pain management strategies. Managing pain is essential for living well with arthritis. While lifestyle changes can help, medication may also be necessary. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or naproxen can provide relief. Your doctor may prescribe stronger medications like corticosteroids or disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs or DMARDs. Don't underestimate the power of hot and cold therapy. Heat relaxes muscles and eases stiffness, while cold helps reduce inflammation and numb pain. Warm baths, heating pads, ice packs, and cold compresses can be your allies in pain management. Section 6. Mind over matter, mental health and arthritis. Living with a chronic condition like arthritis can take a toll on your emotional well-being. It's normal to feel frustrated, anxious, or even depressed. Don't bottle up your feelings. Talk to someone you trust, a family member, friend, therapist, or support group. Sharing your experiences can be incredibly therapeutic. Practice stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Engage in hobbies you enjoy and that bring you joy. Remember, a positive outlook can make a world of difference. Section 7. Adapting your world, making life easier. Living with arthritis might require some adjustments to your home and daily routine, but these adaptations can significantly improve your quality of life. Consider using assistive devices. Jar openers, reachers, button hooks, and zipper pulls can make everyday tasks less challenging. In the kitchen, use ergonomic tools with larger grips. Make your home arthritis-friendly. Install grab bars in the bathroom, use non-slip mats, and ensure adequate lighting. These modifications can prevent falls and make your living space safer. Your support system, finding help and resources. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Many resources and support systems are available to help you manage your arthritis effectively. Your doctor is your primary ally. They can diagnose your condition, recommend treatments, and connect you with specialists like rheumatologists, physical therapists, and occupational therapists. Join an arthritis support group. Connecting with others facing similar challenges can provide emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of community. Online forums and social media groups can also be valuable resources. A positive outlook, living well with arthritis. Living with arthritis can be challenging, but it doesn't have to define you. By adopting a proactive approach to managing your condition, you can live a full and meaningful life. Focus on what you can do, not on your limitations. Celebrate small victories and acknowledge your strength and resilience. Remember, every step you take toward managing your arthritis is a step towards a brighter future. Real stories, real inspiration. These are the voices of those who have faced the challenges of arthritis head-on and emerged stronger. Testimonials from arthritis warriors. Each story is a beacon of hope, a testament to human resilience and the power of community. Meet Sarah, a vibrant grandmother who loves to garden, but thought arthritis would force her to give up her passion. Gardening has always been her sanctuary, a place where she finds peace and joy. With the help of her doctor, she discovered ways to adapt her gardening techniques and continues to enjoy her hobby. She uses specially designed tools and takes frequent breaks to manage her symptoms. John, a retired teacher, found solace and support in a local arthritis support group. After years of teaching, he was devastated when arthritis made it difficult to continue his active lifestyle. He learned valuable tips from others and now leads an active life despite his condition. Through the support group, he discovered new exercises and activities that are gentle on his joints but keep him moving. These are just two examples of the countless individuals who are living proof that it's possible to thrive with arthritis. Their stories remind us that with the right support and determination, we can overcome even the toughest challenges. Their stories are a testament to the power of resilience, adaptation, and community. They show us that arthritis doesn't have to define our lives. Instead, it can be a part of our journey, one where we find new strengths and build deeper connections with those around us. Your journey to a more comfortable life. Managing arthritis is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be good days and challenging days, but remember, you're not alone. By incorporating the tips and advice shared in this essay, you can take control of your health and live a more comfortable and fulfilling life. Keep learning, stay positive, and never give up hope. Your journey to a more comfortable life starts today.